Hello students, let us start our second chapter, land, soil, water, vegetation and water life. In the first module of this chapter we already done land, while in the second part we done soil, and in the third module in detail we done the distribution of soil. So let us come to this third part of the chapter, that is water, in our this fourth module of the recording. Water resources. If we come to earth, then the two-third part of the earth surface is covered with water, and only one-third part of the earth is this land part. So our earth has a lot of water, and that is why earth is also known as a blue planet. The first topic of water resources is about the utilization of water. How to use water? We are utilizing water for different purpose, because water is essential for all form of life. All form of life means we are using water for domestic purposes, means in our house for bathing, cleaning, kitchen works, etc. Agriculture, India is an agriculture nation, and maximum part of the fresh water is using for agriculture purpose. Industries, if we see, then maximum industrial cities of the world are located on the bank of rivers. Delhi on the bank of Yamuna, Kanpur and India city on the bank of Ganga again, London on the bank of Thames, New York on the bank of river Hudson, etc. Water is also used in the modern world for the production of hydroelectricity. Increasing populations and rising demand of water for food and cash crops. Also, we are using water for this purpose. Because of the increasing population, the urbanization is also increasing, means the demand for domestic and other purpose of water is also increasing. Because of urbanization, we see rising standard of living of peoples, and because of this the consumption of this water is now too much increased. We can see this through this data. In the year 1975, India is using only 3,850 cubic kilometer per year, while in the year 2000s it is approximately doubled by 6,000 cubic kilometer per year. Within 25 years, the consumption of water is doubled. If we see our earth, the water is distributed in all these forms. It is a renewable natural resource which is found in the 3/4 part of Earth's surface, and that is why Earth is also known as a water planet or a blue planet. If we come to oceans, then over 2/3 part of Earth's surface is covered by oceans only, in which the Pacific Oceans cover the 44% Earth's surface area. So this is what we see, that the maximum part of Earth's water is a saline water, salty water. It supports a rich variety of planets and animals' lives also. As we see, the maximum part is the saline water. So if we come to the fresh water, then it is only 2.7% of the total water available on Earth. Among this fresh water, the 70% of the total fresh water is in the form of ice sheet in the North Pole, South Pole, and in glaciers. And only 1%, or we can say less than 1% of the total water available on the Earth is fit for use. So this is how we see that only a very few amount of water is available for our use. For example, this is the total amount of water on Earth. Among this, only this much of water is a fresh water, and among this, only this dot is a water which is available for us, or which is fit for use. But in this much amount of water, that is the 1% of water, the maximum part of the water drain on oceans, because they are in the form of rivers, and rivers drain in sea. So a very less amount of water is available for us, and that is why water is a very important source of resources for us. Let us understand water cycle. Whatever water is drained is given by nature to us, is become a ocean. That, as I said, that rivers drain in sea, so maximum part of water become saline water. Again, that water become a clouds and reached on Earth's surface as a fresh water. This is in the form of water cycle. The water, because of the heat and sun, water vapors rise up and become a cloud. Then these clouds comes to lithosphere, where they rain on the lithosphere, and this is how we get the fresh water. From here, in the form of rivers, the water again drain on sea, and this is how what we see is the cycle of water. This is known as water cycle, which I think you all of you know. That's all in the fourth module of the chapter. In the next part, we continue the water resources with its problems and solution. Any kind of problems and doubts, please send me comments. I'll definitely reply to you, or you can visit to me on my blog, which is bipindogra.blogspot.in. Thank you.